is Ayyoko.
And we are
Ayyoko Confidential.
Ayyoko and I have known each other for over 10 years now. We first met at some nightclub.
And I don't go to club to I love music and I love dance music, so I was dancing.
At the time I was doing music, I was doing VJing.
We started to talk and I realized that we are like twins.
We started hanging out, we started doing a lot of projects together.
And we became really good friends. When robot sings,
Okay.
you know, the different frequency in sine wave as opposed to...
There's a lack of empathy with the singularity. The singularity being the point where technology surpasses humanity's ability to comprehend. And so there are lots of fears about that. Do robots take over? Do they kill us? So we wanted to sort of alleviate some of that by imparting empathy and consideration and culture and language to robots of this era. The idea of creating the robots was for them to finally come out looking partly organic, partly robotic, where there's terror and fear and perhaps a little bit of familiarity. Robots that listen to the environment, mimic sounds, play sounds from a collection that Ayyoko creates, mix that all together, and then they speak it out. Came up with this idea of having a canvas bag and injecting foam into that bag. As the foam tries to expand, it oozes out of the canvas, creating these bumps and nodules. So that gave it the organic feel. Carved out the middle of that and put the electronics within that. And when you turn it on and
I'm a sound person and Ayo is more interactive and visual. So I was interviewing a number of people every day. Then slowly this narrative started to emerge. I've never done a drawing to plan a music performance, but I think I've been influenced by everybody around here, doing all the time.
The performance that we're putting on is a journey.
It's a journey. It starts with this fear and this uncertainty. Robots are sent to this time. Singularity happens in a sort of worst nightmare way. But then there's an alternate scenario. We can teach this robot certain things, which is to say we can choose our future, we can create our future. If there's one thing you can teach to this robot, what is it teach?
Love. Yes. Love. Empathy. Like being kind to other people and understanding where they come from and not imposing your own experiences on other people.
Not to be quick in judging others. Basic grooming techniques.
Appreciate differences. Empathy.